Okay, so my program is Solitaire, and this is the home page. And you can press 1 for instructions, and there's a lot of instructions here, but I'm not going to read all of them for you. This is the Solitaire explaining the game logic, and this is how to do it in the program, and different buttons you can press. And you press 1 to return the home screen. And you can press 2 to play, and then you're in a Solitaire program. And you can play Solitaire, and if you're stuck, oh no, I don't have any moves, you can click H, and it'll highlight a move for you. And if there's no moves, it doesn't highlight anything. And you can take out a card from here, move it down, and yeah, only kings can be moved into here. So I can try to display that for you. If I want to move the king here, then I just move it here. And if I pressed H, it would have highlighted that king and there. And yeah, at the end, there is an auto finish button once all of the cards are turned up off of the tableau and all of the cards are out of the deck. Text down here appears saying press W to finish, and it finishes and gives you a nice win message. And that is basically it to Solitaire. So now that the game is easily winnable, I can press W to autocomplete it. And some other features that I forgot to mention is that if you do a redundant move, like if I click H right here, it does not highlight moving the king like that. And it has a timer down here, and as soon as I click W, all the kings go up, all of the cards go up, it gives me a nice you win message, and the time stops. And I can restart the game by clicking R. So that's it to Solitaire. I hope you have a nice day.